Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English speaking course. Today is day 7, and congratulations on completing the first week of your English learning journey. Today is a very special lesson because we are going to review everything we have learned and then take our first English speaking test. In today's video, you will practice 3 important topics: introduce yourself, talk about your family, and describe your daily routine. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning English. The most important thing today is to speak confidently and clearly. So take a deep breath, get ready, and let's begin. Introduce yourself. Let's start with our first speaking topic. Introduce yourself. When you introduce yourself in English, you can talk about your name, where you are from, where you live, your job or studies, your hobbies, and something you like. Here is a simple example. Listen first. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from India, but I live in the United States. I am a student. I enjoy learning English, watching movies, and listening to music. I am learning English because I want to communicate confidently with other people. Now let's practice sentence by sentence. Repeat after me. My name is Sarah. I am from India. I live in the United States. I am a student. I enjoy listening to music. I am learning English because I want to communicate confidently. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Imagine that you are meeting someone for the first time. I want you to introduce yourself. You can use this structure. Hello, my name is. I am from. I live in. I am a. I enjoy. I am learning English because. Now tell me about yourself. Try to speak naturally and use your own words. Welcome back. Great job. Remember, you don't need complicated English. Simple English is good English. Talk about your family. Now let's move to our next topic. Talk about your family. When you talk about your family, you can mention your parents, brothers, and sisters, husband or wife, children, where your family lives, and what you like doing together. Here is an example. Let me tell you about my family. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my husband and our 2 children. My parents live in another city. We usually talk to them on the phone. On weekends, my family likes to spend time together. We sometimes go to the park, watch movies, or have dinner together. Now let's practice some useful sentences. Repeat after me. There are 4 people in my family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My parents live near me. I live with my family. We like spending time together. On weekends, we usually have dinner together. Very good. Now it's your turn. I want you to talk about your family. You can use these questions to help you. How many people are in your family? Who do you live with? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Where do your parents live? What do you usually do together? Now talk about your family. Don't read every sentence. Try to speak naturally. Excellent. If you made mistakes, that's completely okay. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is to communicate your ideas in English. Describe your daily routine. Now let's practice our final topic. Describe your daily routine. This is one of the most useful topics for everyday English. When you talk about your daily routine, use the simple present tense. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come home in the evening. I have dinner. I go to bed at 10:30. Let's listen to a complete example. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. First, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast. After breakfast, I go to work. I usually work from 9 to 5. I come home at around 6 o'clock in the evening. I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Finally, I go to bed at around 11 o'clock. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come home in the evening. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Great. Now it's time for you to speak. Tell me about your daily routine. Start with, every day I wake up at. Then talk about what you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Try to speak naturally. Well done. Speaking test. Now we have reached the most important part of today's lesson. It's time for your speaking test 1. Don't worry. This is not a school exam. It's simply a way to check your progress. For each question, take a moment to think and then speak. Try not to read from a script. Speak using your own words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Introduce yourself. Question. Can you introduce yourself? Tell me your name, where you're from, where you live, what you do, and one or two things you enjoy. Now it's your turn. Speak naturally and confidently. Excellent. Talk about your family. Question. Can you tell me about your family? Tell me how many people are in your family, who they are, who you live with, and what you like doing together. Now it's your turn. Speak using your own words. Very good. Describe your daily routine. And now the final question. Can you describe your daily routine? Talk about what you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Try to use words such as first, then, after that, finally. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your daily routine. Fantastic. You have completed speaking test 1. Final review and motivation. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Today you practiced 3 important speaking skills: introducing yourself, talking about your family, and describing your daily routine. If you were able to speak confidently, that's great progress. If you struggled, don't worry. Go back, practice again, and repeat the test. Remember, speak every day. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. And most importantly, don't be afraid to speak English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. And don't forget to come back for day 8. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving. See you in the next lesson.